Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. As for me, I'm doing okay. So today we'll be doing something a little bit different and we're going to be reviewing a product. It's holiday season. We have Black Friday coming up, Cyber Monday, Christmas, and maybe you're looking for a specific gift to give your loved ones. Why not a pair of glasses? So I had Firmoo reach out to me and they were like, "Can we collab?" I was like, "Why not? I would love to." I've used Firmoo glasses for the past 3 years. I would say I've been using their glasses. I love them. They're very affordable. They have different styles. I just love it. So when they reached out to me, I was like, why not? I would love to. So I picked up two pair of glasses and I used my prescriptions on them. And I'm gonna be unboxing and I'll show them to you how it looks like and how it would be a great gift idea for your loved one. So I just take it out right now. We have two of them right here. This is how the packaging looks like. I don't know if you can focus a little bit. Come on, come on. Anyways, so that's how it looks. All the packages right here. I don't know. Can you see that? Yeah, I hope so. So this is how it comes. We're gonna move ahead and open the first pair of glasses. This is how it comes. And this nice blue is blue bag, right? It's blue. So this is the case. I love it. It comes already with the case and it comes with this nice soft fabric, this cleaning cloth. It's a cleaning cloth and a pouch as well. How cute is that? Two in one. So if your glasses are dirty, you can go ahead and clean it. And this is our first pair coming out. Coming out. Look at that. This is so cute. Look. I don't know if you can see that. I love it. I love it. See? So I took this, it's kind of like glasses to help me with the sun. But the beauty of it is like I use my prescriptions on it. So I can easily use it anywhere I go to. And it's really lightweight, it's well made. I love the style. This is number 585915, and this is how it looks like on the website. This is $39. And guess what? I have a code for you. Down in the description box, you can get some money off of this and get it a little bit cheaper. Why not? So I got this in the color tortoise. As you can see, it has this tortoise design right here, and then right now we have the rest of the glasses has like this green color. I really love it, and this is in the size small. Why don't we just try it and see? Come on, guys, tell me this is if you tell me this is not nice, you're a hater. This is really cute. I love it. I really love it. My prescription is on point. Everything is on point. They got everything right. See, it fits perfectly. It's not falling. See, when I look down, it's not falling away or anything like that. Look at that. I love it. Very cute. You can put it over here. Maybe you're partying or you're doing something, you just want it, and then boom, you just have it back on. So guys, I'll leave more details about these glasses in the description box, and make sure to click my code. That way you can get some dollars off of it as well. Shipping is fast. Quality is great. This is a great and perfect gift idea. Just rush on there. They always have sales. They always have great items. So let's go to the next item. All right. This is the next one I picked. And let's open up and see. Right now we have a coupon code, 50% off, guys. 50% off your first order. Make sure you grab that coupon code and grab some for yourself. Your loved ones will really appreciate it, especially those that work in offices or as a nurse. I'm a nurse, so I definitely always need my glasses when I'm doing chatting to make sure that I'm chatting clearly and appropriately. So it will be a great gift if you have any friend or family member that's a nurse, works in an office, or maybe just their regular day activities, they really appreciate it. Because guess what? It's helping with their sight. So why not grab that for them? It's a great gift. You know, it's Thanksgiving, it's Cyber Monday, Black Friday, Christmas, New Year. Why not? So yeah, this is the next one. It comes with its own pouch as well as a cleaning cloth. Very soft. I love that. You see, you can just pull the strings. You save it back on when you're done. And let's go ahead and unbox it. There you go. Look at that. This is cute. I love this side. This is really different. I don't own any glasses like that, but look at that. I love the style, the design. Look. Ooh, so fancy. I don't know if you can see that. Look, well made. See? Very solid. Look at that. Very lightweight. It's not heavy. And this one, I got it in size small. And it is number TR51000. This is how it looks on the website. And I don't know if you can see that. And it costs $21.99. Let's try this on. I got this in the color gray, green, clear. As you can see right there. And as I said, you could easily put in your prescription, which is what I did. And the material is made out of TR. It weighs 21 grams. It is bifocal slash progressive. The lens diagonal size is 47 mm. Look at that, guys. It's really cute. So why not try it on? Ah, oof, ooh. I love it. I love it. Look at that, guys. Look. This would be great for work. Great. See, it doesn't fall off. As you can see, sorry for shaking my head, but just to show you that it's still, it doesn't go anywhere. See, right there, it's not moving or anything like that. See, it doesn't fall off your face like other glasses. I really love this. It's really cute, lightweight. Guys, do you see that? Tell me you see it. Tell me you like it. Tell me that family member who will not appreciate you giving a pair of glasses. They will love them. So make sure you look, go to the description bar below, get the coupon code, rush to Firmoo and get yourself some cute pair of glasses. You can get the same one. I'm going to link it down in the description box below. Make sure you check them out. Check they have so many designs, so many styles, so many sizes for everyone, every age. So make sure you go grab one for yourself. Look at that. They are really cute. Alright guys, let me show you real quick how I pair them with different outfits, okay? I'll be right back. So with the green glasses, as you can see, I just paired it up right now. Just different styles of how you can dress this up and dress this down. I'm just gonna wear this just for the sake of let me look cute while I'm explaining that. So as you can see, I just had it pair up right here. You can go, it goes like pretty much everything. I would say, like to me, it's really lovely, easy to wear under the sun. If you're going out shopping, you're going to the beach or anything like that, it's easy to wear, simple. It's not big, it's not covering all my face. It's just the perfect size, the perfect. And they match my prescription to it perfectly, no miss. So yeah, guys, make sure you check them out. Make sure you check it out. I'll have a link down in the description box below. And this other pair of glasses, again, I'm just gonna wear it because it's cute. There you go. So yes, guys, this is how I paired it. This is how it looks. I hope you really enjoyed this review. And I really say that glasses are really great. I've used Firmoo glasses for the past 3 years. Like most of my prescription glasses, I think I have like 5. Yeah, like every year or so, I always try to switch because my kids sometimes they'll get a hold of it and then they'll just pull it left, right, and I'm just like, oh my god, not again. But I'm happy for the fact that it's affordable and you can try different styles and you can put in your prescription. So what I just do is just go to my eye doctor, get my prescriptions, just come in, fill in my informations, and boom, placing your order and they deliver that to you. So yeah, this is how they look. I wish I could wear this at the same time, but we cannot do that. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Leave your comment section below on which one was your favorite. And again, make sure you grab yours. Use the coupon code in the description box below and get this great pair of glasses from Famous. See you guys in my next one. Stay safe and be good. Bye.